Hi, for the people who do not know me, I'm Ethan Brunel. I've been Jambo's best friend from the first step on campus as 18-year-old roommates, and ever since we met and stepped foot on the field together, I knew he'd be my brother for life. First off, I'd like to thank both the Cup and the Johnson family for letting us celebrate this meaningful day and beautiful marriage. Now, Jambo. Most people think he's a tough guy. He's an athlete. He's got your hard-out features, the abs, the muscles, whatnot. But you don't know is Jambo has always been a sweetheart deep down. I remember one night when we were freshmen, after we had our first day of practice, I was pretty down on my performance and not was fitting in. And Jambo really helped me through that. We were just getting to know each other and he was already there for me. He's always known not only to be a good guy off the field, but he's known to have a good time too. And if there's one guy that can really turn anything into a party and just be happy 24/7, it's Jambo. But when he met River, he changed. And he changed for the better, and I know I never once saw someone make him smile more than her. And along these years, I've gotten to know you, River, better as a person, and I can remember all the nights and mornings you spent with us in the house, even teaching us a few things along the way. You're always there for us after we lost a game or had a problem. I knew you guys were meant to be. And regardless of what was going on around you, too, you're always able to take a step back and just be grateful for each other and everything you have. And that's how I knew Jambo was going to be in good hands for the rest of his life. Although you are going to have to move on in your life without me, I know it's going to be very hard. I just want you to both know that you mean the world to me, and I hope nothing but the best. Now, I'd like to all raise a glass and join me in wishing wealth, health, and happiness to the new Mr. and Mrs. Cup. When you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible. Congratulations, guys.